Today's question of the week is, if you had to own one car and only one car for the rest of your life, what would it be? Let me know in the comments down below. Today I'm going to be installing these automatic Toyota Celica GTS Sport Pedals into my 2007 Toyota Corolla. In my opinion, these pedals make a huge difference in spicing up the interior of the car. So without any further delay, let's get these installed. So the automatic Celica GTS pedal is bigger than the automatic Corolla pedal, as you can see both on the front here. And the backs have a little bit of a different design as well. So this one's got this little caveat in the middle and it's just a block shape like this, whereas this one has got nothing in the middle and it has these two little slightly longer tabs in the middle here. So installing this is pretty much as simple as just slipping it on. This is slightly bigger than this pedal here. So the bottom here doesn't overlap the metal on the brake pedal, but I mean, it's a pedal, you push on it, you don't pull on it, so this shouldn't be a problem here. Now we're gonna go to the dead pedal. So the dead pedal here, easy to work with. You just pull up, find a good spot you can get your fingers under, and boom, it pops off. Make sure that these clips are not broken, which they are not. Now these clips here, what you're going to want to do is just unscrew them like it's a bolt and just take these out, and I'll show you why in a second. And that's the two clips out. Now the reason you need to remove these clips is because the two dead pedals for the Celica, this one, versus the Corolla, this one, are different. So this one is a lot thinner, so if you don't take these clips out and you try to mount it up here, it's not going to work. The clips are not going to grab and clip into the tabs in here, and the dead pedal is just gonna be flopping around. So instead, pop the clips in first, just like that, and then align them with the threads here. Since the threads are long enough, on one of the threads on the bottom here, I just need to align the top thread, and the dead pedal is installed. Couple things to note with the new dead pedal. One, there is going to be a gap right around here, which the Corolla dead pedal fits in because of this little angle down here, versus the Celica one doesn't have it, so boom, you got a gap there. Be mindful that dirt can get back there. The second thing is that this dead pedal is on a much steeper incline, so it may not feel as nice to use as the previous one, which doesn't have so sharp of an incline. But personally for me, that didn't really matter all that much. Now we're onto the gas pedal. Since this is a 2007, we have an electronic throttle here. So all we need to do is unplug it and then take out two 10mm bolts back there and remove the pedal. And that is the pedal out. Easy as that. Now I'm gonna head and start the car up and make sure that the throttle actually works as a throttle, and we should be good to go. And there we have it. Overall difficulty level is really not that high for installing these, especially with the automatic because of how easy that brake pedal is. I am very happy with this install. This is not my first time installing these. I did put these pedals, but in manual form, in the XRS. So now I have both variants of the Celica GTS pedals in both of the Corollas. That is going to be it for this install. Very quick, very easy. Does help if you have the proper tools. The gas pedal did take me a little bit longer just because I didn't have an actual punch to punch that rod through. Besides that, very easy install. If you want to see this car being built from the very beginning until now, then click over here to check out that video, and click over here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.